Long exposure photography is where you leave the shutter open for an extended period of time. This can be done in a variety of ways. The first one is to close your aperture down. This lessens the amount of light coming in because the hole through your lens is smaller. Therefore, you can extend your shutter speed. During the nighttime, when there's a lot less light about, you can shoot with a much longer exposure time. You can also use an ND filter to get much longer exposures. This works a bit like sunglasses for your camera. It reduces the amount of light let into your camera, so then you can really extend your exposure time. You're basically limiting the amount of light that you let into your camera. This gives you the ability to extend your shutter time without overexposing the shot. If you want to do long exposure shots in the middle of the day, an ND filter is essential. In the evening, during golden hour and into the blue hour, as the light drops, you'll find that your exposure times become longer and longer. During this time, you can sometimes get away with just closing down your aperture to get really long exposures. During the nighttime, you can shoot pretty much wide open with the aperture and still get a long exposure shot. If you want to learn more about night and astrophotography, click on the eye in the corner. This will take you to another of my videos. Long exposures can blur any kind of movement in your frame. If you have clouds moving through the shot, maybe a waterfall running, or some waves moving around, you can experiment with different exposure times to get different looks. The longer the exposure, the more misty and blurry it will become. If you're interested in long exposure photography but don't have an ND filter, click on the eye in the corner. This will take you to another of my videos showing you how to shoot long exposures without an ND. For more videos, subscribe and turn on notifications. Also, head over to my YouTube channel where I have a growing library of photography tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.